A McDonald's combo meal used to cost $5. Now it's pushing $15 in some cities. That's not inflation, that's something else. Today we're breaking down exactly why fast food prices exploded, and more importantly, who's pocketing the difference. The easy explanation is inflation. Labor costs went up, ingredient costs went up, rent went up. And that's true. Minimum wage hikes in states like California pushed fast food wages toward $20 an hour. Beef, chicken, and cooking oil prices spiked hard post-2021. But here's the problem with the inflation did it story. Overall U.S. inflation has cooled since 2022. Fast food prices haven't come back down. If costs were the whole story, prices should have followed costs back down. They didn't. This is where it gets interesting. Publicly traded fast food companies report their profit margins every quarter, and margins didn't shrink during this period. Many expanded. That means companies raised prices by more than their costs actually went up, and pocketed the difference. This is a pricing strategy economists call greedflation, using inflation as cover to raise prices beyond what's needed to offset costs, because consumers already expect prices to go up and won't push back as hard. So where does that extra margin go? 3 places: shareholder dividends, stock buybacks, and executive compensation. Publicly traded fast food parent companies have returned billions to shareholders via buybacks in recent years, money that could have kept prices lower, but instead went to boosting stock price. Franchise structure matters too. Corporate parent companies raise mandatory menu prices and supply costs on franchisees, protecting their own margins even when individual franchise owners struggle. This isn't just a fast food story. It's a preview of how pricing power works across the economy. When an industry has few major players and inelastic demand, companies can raise prices past what costs justify, because customers have nowhere else to go. So next time you're paying $15 for a combo meal, know this: it's not just inflation. It's a business decision, and now you know how to spot it happening in other industries too.